What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, y'all seen that title, man? Seen the thumbnail? I got a Nike Dunk for y'all, man. One of the newer pairs, very neutral. I like this joint a lot personally. Let's check it out, bro. The tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk Low Retro SC, white and light carbon, size 12, man, personal size. Let's check these joints out and see if y'all like them. Now here we have the new Nike Dunk Low in a light carbon colorway, man. And right off the rip, man, super neutral. A lot better material than all of the regular dunks that have been releasing lately, man. Let's check out these details and materials and see if you're liking them like I am. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, as you can see, it comes in a white, slightly tumbled leather, man. A lot better leather than you would get on your regular Panda Dunks and things like that. Getting across that toe cap is laced in the light carbon or gray leather, and that is tumbled as well, man. Every leather panel on this shoe is tumbled. Getting to that mid panel, man, some white tumbled leather there. And it has like this nappy gray swoosh going across the side of the shoe. Get to the back of the shoe, man, it has the tumble gray, tumble white, and then it has the light gray suede with the dark gray Nike embroidered in there. A nice touch with the two different color suede hits. The light gray suede on the heel tab matches the light gray that's going across the sides of the shoe. Getting to the inside of the shoe as well, man, it does have the light gray leather and white panels going all the way across the shoe, man, in a nice tumble soft leather. And it does have that nappy hair. Nice suede, man. Some really nice suede on these joints, bro. A lot better than any of like their super duper low nubuck that they've been using a lot of lately. This is a pretty decent one, I'm not gonna lie to you. Now getting back to the front of the shoe, man, it does have the gray laces factory installed with the white tongue going all the way up. And it does have like that graph style print that they use like on the Union Dunks for sure. And then they have the white tongue tag with the dark gray Nike embroidered on there, man. So super nice touch there. Getting to the midsole of the shoe, man, it went with a pure white midsole, white stitching. And then went with the gray translucent gel outsole, man. You don't really see this a lot on Dunks. But with this one getting the SC tag, man, you got a lot better materials. Some nice touches with like this outsole here, man. It really looks good. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is one of the better, more neutral dunks to release lately. That white and gray material, the leather on here is a really, really nice material. A lot softer leather than you would get like on a Panda Dunk or any of your basic dunks, man. This is a good one. I like this joint a lot. Now going across the eyelets, they do have the light gray as well. On the inside of the shoe, it has like a dark gray, and it has a light gray insole with the dark gray Nike pressed on there, man. White and gray shoe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints so far. Let's check out this right shoe. Now getting into the right shoe, man, just the same as the left. It starts off with the white leather going across the toe box. Now nice tumble material. Tumble gray leather going all the way around the shoe. Dark gray on there swooshing like a nice nappy suede material. White and gray going across the side panels as well. Getting to the back of the shoe, it does have the light gray heel tab with the dark gray Nike embroidered in. Light gray going across the back here. Some soft materials, pretty soft leather, I'm not gonna lie to you. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, same with the white and gray going all the way around. That dark nappy suede going across the swoosh. Gray laces, white tongue tag with the gray Nike embroidered in. Now this shoe didn't come with any extras, man, but the gray laces are light gray throughout the whole lace. You do have like dark gray laces, man. Just a nice touch to match the two-tone gray on the shoe. This joint is super neutral, bro. I think this one will probably sell out a lot quicker than a lot of the other dunks, man, just because it's very wearable. It dropped right before Christmas, even though it hasn't had like a big release just yet. I grabbed these joints from My Hibbit Sports, so they haven't got their big release yet with like Foot Lockers and Nikes and things like that. So you'll probably be able to grab them for like retail price around that time. But this is a good one. Definitely expect these joints to sell out, man. It's a neutral shoe. Neutral materials, a lot better quality with the softer leather. So this is a good one for me. This is a good one in my book. Now this one has the white midsole as well, man, with that icy translucent gray outsole, man. This is a super clean shoe, man. Overall, man, this is a clean shoe. Can't really beat it for retail price. And let's talk about quality and quality control. Now as far as the quality and quality control on these joints, as I mentioned earlier, man, a lot better leather materials than we get usually on our dunks. Super soft. Nice materials, I'm not gonna lie to you. I like the suede touch here going across the side of the swoosh. It's a good looking shoe. As far as QC, I don't see any crazy flaws. It says a SE, so they went with the slightly higher price tag. So I don't see a lot of the glue stains and like slightly flaw stitching that we see on like regular dunks and panda dunks and things like that, man. So you're getting a good shoe with this one. Don't be afraid to buy this one. It's a good wear, easy wear, very neutral, easy to wear with anything, man. Nice materials. Don't be afraid to grab this one for sure. I mean, if you see it and you're looking for a new pair of dunks or a new pair of neutral shoes, this one will be a good one for you. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, these did get the SC tag, so they were at 125 bucks. That's 135 out the door here in Texas with tax and everything. And I'm not mad at that price tag, man. They did upgrade the materials. They upgraded the quality, so I'm not mad at the $10 increase, man. It's still a cheap shoe with it being a Nike Dunk. Now, as far as resale, man, you can grab these on your second market apps, man, at like around 160 to 180 right now. But as I mentioned earlier, man, they haven't gotten their big worldwide release just yet. So I would wait. I wouldn't pay 180 for them if you don't have to. If you just really need a pair of gray and white dunks, I'm not mad at it. But these joints will definitely fall closer to retail when they get a bigger release. But as far as quality and it being a good shoe, man, I'm not mad at 125 to 150 for these joints all day long, bro. Really, really good shoe. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Nike Dunk Low and this light carbon colorway, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below of your honest opinion, man. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Just let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I really want to hear how you guys feel about these joints, man. To me, this is an automatic cop, easy wear, nice materials, bro. You can't go wrong with this shoe. Better than a lot of the dunks that have been released lately, man. I'm not mad at this one at all. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got this Nike Dunk Low and the light carbon colorway, man. Peace.